Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about why video marketing made simple had been so popular till now. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Why video marketing made simple got so popular. If you are wondering why video marketing made simple got so popular, then you might want to take a look at the topic. Millions of people worldwide are turning to video as a new form of media, and it's finally becoming a legitimate way to market products and services. But how does one go about marketing with video? Video has come a long way in the last few years. In fact, it is now one of the most popular forms of communication on the web. It seems that everyone now has their own reason for using video on their websites. There are pros and cons to every marketer, and we'll discuss them in this video. The pros: one of the greatest things about the video is the freedom it allows its users. No longer can a company control the message or the image. This is a huge plus for both the video maker and the viewer. No longer do you have to worry about other companies trying to dominate your time. Viewers have to waste watching ads. You are able to create a video that would not have been possible before. This also means that you have the ability to reach more customers than ever before. Video also offers a visual element that is missing from the written word. It is difficult to quantify this element, but it is there, and it has been making a big difference. The cons: the downside to video marketing is that it requires a bit more effort than other types of marketing. You do need to have some technical know-how, and that means a bit of investment in terms of training, coaching, and software. While it takes less time to produce a video than it does to write an article, it still takes a significant amount of time to put together a very successful video. That's because of the graphics and pictures need to be properly placed to deliver the message correctly. There are lots of images and high-quality cameras these days that don't come cheap. Another con is that video production is quite expensive. Even if you have the resources, it is still a good idea to start off with small-scale videos to test the waters before moving on to larger productions. Some of these more technical processes can take hours to create and require lots of steps and planning. Video production takes a lot of money, but that's where the pros and cons often coincide. For those who need to produce short videos, they offer a unique chance to express themselves. Many of us could never afford to make television commercials, but we are all able to make videos on a budget. Marketing with video can really improve your business, and if you can get it right, it can give you a huge advantage over your competitors. It also allows you to reach millions of viewers, something that other methods simply cannot. Although most people think of marketing with video as a tool for creating awareness, it can also be used to draw new customers to your site. It can also be used to promote more elaborate campaigns, such as the development of a new product or the launch of a website. If you have the time and patience, it can be an effective marketing strategy, especially if you have an eye for detail and the ability to wait for the learning process to take its course. It is important to remember that the benefits of video marketing far outweigh the drawbacks, and it is definitely worth a try. It can help your business grow faster than any other method. Why video marketing is so powerful. When you think about why video marketing is so powerful, you're more likely to consider this: it takes much less effort to make a video than it does to write a blog. As a result, the video is very easy to market to and uses a lot less marketing tactics than you would use with a blog. We are all guilty of writing articles that are not compelling enough for our small audience. This happens because we don't really put enough thought into our words. This is not only a logical problem to have, but one that can cost you in terms of sales. You end up writing fewer but more generic articles, which means that your articles are going to be fewer but more generic. The second reason video marketing is so powerful is that it is easier to distribute. You can quickly distribute your videos by creating a free web page with your company information, which includes videos that you can then submit to various places on the internet. This makes your videos more likely to make it to business pages and allow them to perform better. This means that you will have a higher chance of your videos being seen. The third reason video marketing is so powerful is that it reaches more people. When you have a good website and you can use social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter, you will see a huge impact. These social media sites are very popular and they have a high ranking when it comes to search engines. Because of this, you will have more exposure to people who might be interested in what you have to offer. There are different reasons that you might want to create videos. It may be to explain yourself, or it may be to share your knowledge with a friend or two. The fourth reason video marketing is so powerful is that it will help your business grow. One of the biggest marketing ideas for small businesses is to focus on making an online presence. This will help your business to grow and become viral growth, which will, in turn, increase your sales. Video marketing is one of the best ways to do this. Finally, because video marketing is so powerful, it will increase your brand awareness. If you have a website that provides you with a steady stream of traffic, then your customers are getting to know your brand and they are also getting to know you. This is a very important part of any business and any brand. When people start to associate you with your products and services, it will help your brand to grow. 5 reasons why people like video marketing strategies. Video marketing has been so popular that you've probably heard a lot of people talk about it. But a lot of those same people have probably not heard all the reasons why video marketing is the best marketing strategy, and why you should learn how to use it to your advantage. Here are the top 3 reasons why video marketing benefits you. First, the first reason why video marketing benefits you is that it allows you to reach a larger audience. You see, people do not watch the same show every day. In fact, it is rare that 2 people watch the same show on the same day. So in order to reach a more diverse audience, using videos to promote your business is the best way to go. If you were a regular TV viewer, you would not see your favorite show the next day because people may have taken your place. But with video marketing, you can always be there to catch the best of the best. Second, video marketing is much more cost-effective than radio or TV advertising. In addition, because of the low cost, you can afford to reach more people in the future and use your money for other endeavors. Finally, if you make a mistake with your video campaign, you don't have to make the same mistake again. You can simply cut and re-edit your video to make it better and improve your chances of success. It is also easy to choose the perfect image for your video. That means that you will be much more successful in reaching your customers or prospects. Those are the top 3 reasons why video marketing benefits you. Let's get to the bottom line. To help you understand why it is important to take your campaign to a wider audience, I want to point out that different people will like different things. Therefore, you want to understand the psychology of your potential customers to be able to best market to them. For this reason, there are several companies that offer free online classes for the learning of video marketing. Because these videos provide more information and insight into the art of video marketing, they are more effective for you. To make sure that you maximize your effectiveness, it would be smart to select a course that provides more resources to enhance your success. In order to do this, you need to ensure that you make use of research and consultation. The right research and consultation will allow you to learn how to market in an effective manner. After doing your homework, you can easily get to the bottom line. What's so trendy about video marketing benefits that everyone went crazy over it? Let's make a video marketing work for you by understanding why it's so popular and yet so confusing. Why video marketing made simple by this infographic artist. The customer is not happy. In my years of making, explaining, or teaching video marketing, I have been disappointed in all the techniques used by amateurs and professionals alike to put together professional video techniques. For those of you who do not know, video is a video format that has been used since the first movies were shot. Video marketing has existed from the time it was created and will continue to exist long after its creators are long gone. The marketer needs to understand why video marketing made simple. This is because there are a number of reasons that video marketing is effective in getting the attention of the viewer. To make sense of the data presented below, I suggest you learn why some of these are more effective than others. The first reason video is effective is that it uses powerful emotions. The viewer has to like what the marketer has to say, and being effective is what makes video marketing effective. The viewer doesn't want to have to follow an advert, so being effective is part of the appeal that draws them in. Powerful emotions, however, need to be delivered with content that is believable. If the viewer is attracted to what is being sold, but it does not seem like what they can actually trust, they will never pay attention to what the advertiser is trying to sell. An unsubstantiated claim will only turn them off, but one that is backed up with an argument that is more convincing will have more chance of working. It is so much easier to get the full attention of the viewer when the message is presented with compelling visuals. A thumbnail should not be overly detailed. Simple elements will work best. Visuals make sales, and sales to make money. Keep the subject matter simple. Make sure that the graphic or photograph is something that the customer can relate to. It is better to be able to identify with something that can be captured on camera than something that is simply heard and read. Decide what type of media choices you want to use for your video. There are certain things that you want to keep out of your video as they are sure to turn off the viewer. Children, people with disabilities, animals, etc. If you want to include these, make sure that you record everything that the viewer encounters. Use professional skills and visuals that can be executed properly. Also consider the length of the video, as this is important. Don't try to hurry things up. Give the viewers enough time to absorb what you are trying to convey with your video. They will most likely not feel that the video has been clearly explained in just a few minutes. This is frustrating for both the marketer and the viewer. The number one reason why video marketing is too difficult is that it has become a cottage industry. You do not have a professional to help you make sense of all the options. Look to see if the Video Marketing Made a Simple article or source offers a free video tutorial. See if they have any testimonials. It is important to make video marketing make sense and keep the viewer's attention. If you learn how to use the many tools that are available, then you are well on your way to making your own video marketing success story. Thanks for watching my video about why video marketing made simple had been so popular till now. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.